In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image caption in PowerPoint 365. This is a simple yet important skill that helps you add descriptions or attributions to your images, making your presentation look professional and informative. Captions not only improve clarity, but also help your audience understand your visuals better. Let's get started. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If it's not already open, just click the Start menu, type PowerPoint, and launch the app. Once it's open, navigate to the presentation where you want to add the caption. If the file is saved on your computer, go to File greater than Open and select it. If it's stored on OneDrive, make sure you're connected to the internet so you can access it easily. Next, scroll through your slides and find the one that contains the image or video you want to caption. Double check that it's the right slide and adjust the image position or size if needed before continuing. Now look at the top ribbon in PowerPoint and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find tools for adding all kinds of content, like images, charts, and text. Within the Insert tab, click Text Box. You'll see it as an icon with an A or labeled simply as Text Box. Once you click it, move your cursor below your image and draw a rectangular box by clicking and dragging. This will be your caption area. Don't worry about the size just yet. You can resize it later to fit perfectly. Click inside the text box and start typing your caption. It can be a brief description, a photo credit, or any detail that adds context to your image. As you type, adjust the font style, size, and color to match your presentation's theme. Keeping your formatting consistent across all slides gives your presentation a clean, unified look. And that's it. You've successfully added a caption to your image in PowerPoint 365. This simple feature can make a big difference by providing your audience with clarity and context, while giving your slides a professional touch. Be sure to explore other PowerPoint features to customize your presentation even further.